And coach, can I add on to onto that?
Yes.
And for anybody that has had experience and you walking in here, like, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm experienced because I'm definitely starting from ground zero again. But if you're coming in here with experience, just leave everything at the door and learn this new.
Yeah, absolutely.
I did that this past week after you told me that video to watch about, being scared on entering calls and everything. And
Yeah.
I made my first play on non-paper, and I was so confident this
Oh,
morning.
good.
So
Yeah, that's good.
it's a small gainer, but it definitely brought me way more confidence than
Oh,
what
I
I
love
had
it.
before.
Yeah, no, I love it. I mean, just like this week, right? I had a one-on-one with an individual who's um I think it was over 10 years experience. So listen, it doesn't matter, and you're absolutely right. And I appreciate that because the one thing that's the hardest as a coach is you come in here with your own bias, your own plan, the own things you've been doing. Well, listen, there's a reason you came to this room.